Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing good. It's me, your boy Vicky here from Desi. So today I brought another interesting video to share it with you all. This was recorded during fall of 2020 when I visited my friend in Boston. So all the details were actually provided in the video. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump on to the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have already did, then don't forget to turn on the notifications, guys. Please like the video and comment down below. Thank you. So hey guys, today we are actually exploring this place called Harbor Walk, which is located in Boston. So it takes about 10 minutes drive from downtown to reach to the Harbor Walk. And there is a huge waterfront which you can see like next to this place. The one which you're looking at the screen right now is known as Harbor Point on the bay. It's the name of a community actually, so where it's a gated community where people live. And as you can see here, the waterfront is known as Carson Beach, which is also followed by on the side like with the Harbor Walk trail where people do walk, and it's a very huge trail. So Boston Harbor Walk is approximately 4 to 5 miles in distance, which goes through the Castle Island, Thompson Island, Spectacle Island, and Moon Island. So there are like multiple islands, guys. If you can see on the screen, like I mean you're going to see again in this Carson Beach where multiple islands, like they're pretty like small islands. So this place in particular is actually located next to the University of Massachusetts, Boston, where you'll be actually seeing, like the campus as well. Like it goes through the campus actually, this Harbor Walk which we are seeing right now. And that's a huge path, as I have already mentioned. Like people do cycling, biking, and jogging, etc. During the summer and fall seasons. As you can see, the size of apartments are humongous, where like hundreds of people live here, and yet we managed to like explore this place like in and out. So right now we are on the Harbor Walk trail on the way to the Castle Island. It's going to take around an hour or hour and a half to reach to the Castle Island. If you go fast, it's going to take around like hour-ish. So if you just follow this trail, then you'll be passing first like this place called GFK Library, which is part of the University of Massachusetts, Boston campus. And after an hour walk, then we'll be reaching to this place called Sullivan's Food Place. Like if you guys are new to Boston, or people who live in here and are not aware of this place, I would highly recommend you to try this place. This has been here for like 1951, which makes it 70 years. So yeah, it has like pretty cool seafoods and stuff. So now we are going to look at the list of beaches and bays close by. So the first one you're going to see here is known as Carson Beach, where people do get in and swim, or they do some water activities. And the second place which we are going to see is known as the Pleasure Bay, where people do some water sports with their boats and jet skis and stuff. And this small island which you can see on the screen is known as Thompson Island. So I must mention that it's very soothing experience to visit this place during the evenings, especially after a busy day at work. So I would just come here and sit on the bench and watch those small waves hitting the shores. That's kind of like relaxing feeling which I experienced here, and I used to just sit here and stare at those waves for hours actually. So this was during the fall of 2020, where I was actually visiting my friend in Boston. So that's when I thought like this is a pretty scenic place, and I wanted to capture this all and make it as a memory, guys. So I would definitely love to go back to this place again if I ever get chance. But for now, let's just enjoy the view. So here is the night view of the Boston skyline, guys, where you can actually this was shot basically from the harbor walk or harbor point of the bay, on the bay. So excuse the light sense, my drone, I did capture this with the drone, so it doesn't really capture much in the night, but I did try it though. I hope you guys can see it. Thank you for watching the full video until the end, guys. If you did enjoy the video, then please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to receive the instant updates. And also there are some links which you can see in the below or next to me, where you can actually click on them and watch my other videos. Catch you guys on the other video. Until then, peace out.